Welcome to D365 Insider, a channel where you will learn D365 from scratch. You will find a full tutorial course for D365 supply chain, where you will learn best practice and we will go through real scenarios and learn all the setup. Then you can find also a playlist of to not do this in D365, and you will learn what to not do in D365 and also some tips and tricks to use. Then you can also watch a playlist like D365 Sofa Talks and D365 AI Agent Talks, where I will interview Microsoft MVPs and experts from the sector. So please subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Thanks.